Now, are you guys ready? Because I'm going to show you something really cool, call it array. Not most of you, but sometimes what people do is literally like typing something like name equals to personal details, name in age equals to person details age. And obviously if I var dump those two elements, this should just work as expected. Now, are you guys ready? Because I'm going to show you something really cool, call it array destructuring, okay? So what you can do is, instead of doing this, which looks like crap, what you can do is literally this. There we go. So this is called array destructuring. It looks kind of complicated to begin with, but what it does is that from the personal details, put the key name on this variable name, which is a new one, and put also the age on this new variable, which is age. And if you clear the terminal and type PHP playground, bam, bam, boom, just works as expected. This is kind of cool, right? Yeah, this is clean. Come on, man, this is actually super clean. I love this one. Okay, so a lot of people have asked me during these days, what is the spread operator? What exactly these three dots are doing at the moment? So here I have a chat function on top, and obviously if I wanted to use this chat function, the only thing I have to do is type result equals to chat will hello world. And obviously if I clear my terminal, run PHP playground, will just work as expected. Now, if I were to have my arguments looking something like this, you know, hello and then world, I obviously cannot provide these arguments just like this because I'm expecting a string as a first element and a string as a second argument. So I cannot do this. So how can I provide, or how can I put the element 1 right here and the element 2 right there? What I can do is just spread this array so we can go each one of these to the given argument of chat. And now this will just work as expected. There we go. So a lot of people use or still use the array merge, which technically just works this way. You just have to type, you know, array merge, get the result, and output everything to the console. So something you can do is use this new array spread in PHP, which technically works this way. You still have the array format, and you just have to spread using these three dots, the array 1, array A, for example, and the array B. And if I type PHP playground, it will just work as expected. This preparator can also be super fancy if you want to kind of have if conditions. Something that I do sometimes is literally this, you know, this if condition that will work at this place. So here you can do things like if the user is logged, potentially, something like this. And if it's logged, you increment more elements to the array, which is kind of fancy. Like doing something like this with if conditions and array merge would be a lot of more code, in my opinion.